Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Redmi Note 7 Pro smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can take slow motion video in Redmi Note 7 Pro smartphone. First, open camera on your phone and go to video mode. Here, click this icon and you will have slow motion option. Just click that. Now start recording your video. Now the recorded video will be in slow motion. For a better clarity, again shoot another video. Now I play that video. See there, it's playing in slow motion. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.